we smoke weed. We're just having fun. We don't care who sees. So what, we go out. That's how it's supposed to be.
Alright, now that was the last of my blunt, what's good, y'all? It's your girl DejaDeshay, and I'm back with another YouTube video. So today, y'all, in here from the first video, y'all already know I'm always saying something about my nose being oily, and it is. Today I am going to be showing y'all just me basically squeezing my nose so that y'all can see what I'm talking about, so that y'all can see what I do be talking about. Look at this. But I cut down on my snacks and whatnot, so my acne should be clearing up a little bit that is coming. But yeah, so before we get into this video, make sure y'all give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe, catch the vibe, hit that bell notification button to be notified whenever I post. And if you already been on my channel, thank you for watching. So now that we got that out the way, we're gonna get straight into this video.
Snitch on your daddy. I'll hold a brick for your daddy. Splash on a bitch for your daddy. Top of the wrist, get 8 like I say. I'm a cream on your face, the daddy. Ice my wrist, new petty. We'll never ever have static. I wanna fuck with now one of y'all hoes. Free JT automatic.
So I'm gonna be up close on the camera so y'all can see my nose. But y'all already knew that, so yeah. Boop. That's better. Okay. So we're gonna start here. These, look, it's starting already. The corner of my nose it ain't my favorite, but when it gets addicting doing this and seeing this, I'm gonna just go ahead and start. No one's talking. Okay. There we go. Got some good ones. Hold on. Look at that. You see, it be that area right there next to it that I can never get. I want it. Okay, there we go. This one. These some good ones. Look at that. Look at that. Y'all, they get scary. They get scary. Hold on. Look at that. Ooh. Let's see. See, look, I ain't even really squeezing down here too much. Look at that. Look at that. Nasty. Okay, wait. Okay. That was not a booger. And anybody that know me in real life, know me for real, know I hate worms, I hate maggots, I hate anything that crawl, snakes, anything that look like, anything that slither like, ew, bugs, like flies, irritate me, just everything but snakes. When these things come out my nose, they look like snakes. They look like maggots. Like, they get so long. And let me see. That's good. Let's wet this up a bit. How about that? Okay. And while I'm even wetting it, I'm gonna slowly squeeze it. I need to be squeezing around my nose anyway. So, you know, take that soreness out. It's healing quite quickly though. I mean, and if anybody could tell me why my nose doing this or what I should do, let me know something. I remember my grandma nose used to do this though. She had the same problem, and she used to tell me about it. I used to see her do the same thing I'm doing. Okay, it's dry now. We're just gonna start up here now. work out. Look at that. Look at that. Ew. I'm gonna see if I can get a lot. Cause like you gotta squeeze hard for a lot to come out. I don't be wanting to like leave no marks on my face. This is, then I be knowing this side got a lot to offer. Like, oh, look how that look. Ah. Look at that. Look how that's just coming out. I don't know. And it don't even just be my nose. It be this area. Sometimes I can squeeze it. Or it be down here. But yeah, I'm definitely not gonna stress my nose or my skin out. If I don't feel that it needs to be done, I'm not gonna do it. But I just wanted to show y'all today, since I had a thought to show y'all what I be talking about. Usually be way more or a lot more. Or usually I have like red do it for me. She likes to do it. And I be complaining the whole time. My nose is gonna be red for a minute. But if you guys like this video and want to see more, let me know. I know I'm not the only one in the world. I don't know, like my face just randomly get dry and it be like, I don't wipe it so many times. But I'm gonna oil my face after this video too. Back to what I was saying. I know I'm not the only person with this condition, or who knows, get dry like mine and do what mine do. Cause don't play with me, Pooh. My lip gloss is popping. My lip gloss is cool. All the boys stopping.
What you know about me? What you know about
I be
loving it. I be loving it. I be using it. I be using it. I be rubbing it. I be rubbing it. On my lips,
my lip gloss. Anyways, if y'all like this video, make sure y'all give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, catch that vibe, hit that bell notification button to be notified whenever I post on my channel. And if you already been on my channel, thank you for watching. If you had this problem, ain't nothing wrong with it. I'm pretty sure it's something niggas can use. I choose to keep my face oiled up so that it won't get dry. Or I want to, for the dryness, it's like, maybe it's the oil that, how should I put this? Regardless, my face be too dry, it's gonna do it. My face too oily, it's gonna do it. So it's like, but yeah, I make sure my nose is not dry. And, you know, I put my oils in there and clean my face as I need to. So that's why my skin is usually clear, besides when I start eating chocolate. So I ran out of storage on my Android, so I will be recording off my iPhone for the remainder of this video, because it's not going to take me long to end this video. But what was I saying? I know I'm not the only one out here with this problem. My nose be too oily, too dry, too whatever and whatnot. If y'all like this video, you know, mess with the girl, subscribe to the kid. Make sure y'all stay tuned for more little videos. Like I said, it's only up from here, and we out.
Right on your side, but it's hard to do right. Don't pay them